guys, welcome to my channel Jamangal Adrika. Today I'm doing a vlog. I'm going to Purulia. It's a district in West Bengal. So it's about 400 kilometers from Kolkata. So it's gonna be a 7 hours drive. So right now we are in the Mar Bridge. This is the view. Purulia is the westernmost district of West Bengal. This district is bordered on the east by Bankura, Bishnupur and Burdhaman districts of West Bengal and Bokaro and Ranchi districts of Jharkhand state. Distance of Purulia from Kolkata is around 300 kilometers, which is roughly 6.5 hours drive by road. The shortest route being the NH314 via Arambagh. We took the route by NH19 via Asansol as shown by our GPS.
হোটেল থেকে বলছে কনফার্ম নয় বুকিং। তুমি তো বুকিং কনফার্মেশন চেক করোনি, রিকনফার্ম করোনি?
না, রিকনফার্ম মেল এসেছিল তো।
কি হবে?
চেক করো একবার, ফোন করো।
কোনো মানে হয়?
And as you saw that our booking is not confirmed, we are going in the hotel Pearl Tree, but my father forgot to reconfirm the booking, so we need to see if we still have the booking or else we have to find another hotel, and that is also very difficult because today is Sunday, so it's the bookings are really full, so we need to see that. Purulia has rich cultural heritage. It has a mixed culture of Bengal, Jharkhand and Orissa, as it was a part of these areas for various times. From archaeological evidence to local festivals, every cultural event has got a tribal touch in it, which is the speciality of Purulia. It is also the birthplace of a martial dance form of Bengal, the Chhau Nach.
হোটেল আছে খুব ভালো, তুমি কি ওটাতে থাকবে? ওই দেখো
বাবা কি জঘন্য!
হোটেলটা ভালো কিন্তু
কাজ করা ভালো।
আরে লেখা আছে হিন্দু হোটেল, দেখো সামনে দেখো কত সুন্দর পার্কিং স্পেস আছে অনেক বড়। আমরা যে হোটেলটা আছি তার থেকে বড় পার্কিং স্পেস।
পাপা এটা কি কাকার ফেভারিট সং?
হতে পারে, এই গানটাতে তো ঐশ্বরিয়া রায় আছে আই থিঙ্ক।
হ্যাঁ,
মেবি কাকার ফেভারিট ঐশ্বরিয়া রায়, কারণ আমার মনে আছে একটা মুভি আছে হাম দিল দে চুকে সানা, ওটাতে ঐশ্বরিয়া রায় ছিল না?
হ্যাঁ,
ওটাতে ঐশ্বরিয়া রায়ের নাম কি ছিল?
কি?
নন্দিনী।
হ্যাঁ, নন্দিনী তো হচ্ছে কাকার মানে আমার কাকিমা, আন্টি না। finally we have reached our hotel, and fortunately we got a room. This is the room. Here we have a bed. This is a table. Good morning, friends. Today is day 2 and we are on our way. We are on a 2 nights and 3 days package, so we have only one day for Purulia, and tomorrow we will visit the city of temples, Bishnupur. Now we are heading towards the Ajodha Hills, which is 52 kilometers from the town of Purulia, roughly, and 1.5 hours drive. Places we are visiting today are the Khairabara Dam, the Mask Village Jorda, also known as the Mukhosh Gram, Paki Pahar, the Upper Dam, Lower Dam, Bamni Falls, and the Marble Lake. Keep a well-planned itinerary ready along with you. To cover all the places within a short span of time, I would suggest you to visit all the places downhill first and then climb up the Ajodha Hills to visit rest all places closely located. We didn't do so and we missed some places. Try to follow the sequence I mentioned earlier and you could save some time. The first place we reached was the Upper Dam. This upper dam creates a lake more than a kilometer long, which is also the major source of water in these arid regions. The lakeside road is one of the best spots to catch the sunset over the Ajodha Pahar. The upper dam and lower dam is used for generation of hydroelectric power by an unique pumped storage system. The pumped storage system utilizes surplus grid power available from thermal power stations to pump up water from lower to upper reservoir and reproduces power during peak demand. Our next stop is the lower dam. Friends, this is the lower dam. Though smaller in size, this lower dam lake is tucked within the hills and is very scenic. A viewpoint on the road over this reservoir gives a sweeping view of this lake and the towering hills.
জোড়াগুলো কি আছে না? হ্যাঁ জোড়া
এদিকে
জোড়া জোড়া আর বড়গুলো
দাদা একটা বানাতে কতক্ষণ লাগে? রঙের কাজ, হ্যাঁ। আচ্ছা 1 ঘন্টা পুরো কমপ্লিট করে দাও।
After a 40 minutes drive, we reached the Mukhosh Gram. Nearly 300 artists work in different workshops in this village to create the various masks and costumes used in Chhau Nach. You can see the artists working on their creations once you visit this village.
একটু এসো না ফর্ম করবেন তো আমাকে একটা কথা বলো দাও বাবা অনেক দাও পড়ে গেলে
এখন কি রেকর্ড হচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা কতক্ষণ নিচ্ছ
তুমি বাকি
After Mukhosh Gram, we reached the Marble Lake. Locals call it Blue Dam or Patal Dam because of the blue waters of the lake. It is said that while the fourth largest hydroelectric power project was being constructed and the surrounding hills were blasted for the purpose, one suddenly discovered this lake in the middle of nowhere. Maybe water gushing from the underground due to rock blasting gave rise to this lake. The lake is getting a facelift to attract more tourists. A cafeteria and watchtower will soon come up beside the lake so that tourists can stretch their tired legs and just laze with a cup of hot tea or coffee. Our next stop was the 800 feet high hill Muraburu Hill, also locally known as the Paki Pahar. Paki Pahar is a canvas for artist Sri Chitta De and his team, who has sculpted nearly 60 images of birds on the sheer rock face. The work is still going on.
আর নেই ভাই আর নেই কোথায় আছে আর যাবো না বেরোবে
Baby look
হ্যাঁ
here. Baby look here.
এইটা দিয়ে না আচ্ছা
So this is the end of day 2. Tomorrow we will be driving to the temple city of Bishnupur. If you like this video, Please do like and subscribe my channel. Also, you can place your comments in my Insta handle as shown below. Thanks and bye everyone.